Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for January 2nd, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, our storm from last night has left the building, and as a result, we have skies starting to clear. A bit windy out there. Winds are from the northwest to west, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, pushing to gusts around 30 miles per hour in a few locations. These winds will subside as we go on through the afternoon. Temperatures range from the mid-30s over the Catskills, mid to upper 40s everywhere else, lower 50s along the coast, a couple of mid-50s down towards southern New Jersey. When you take a look at our surface map, one storm's exiting, another is starting to organize down towards the Mississippi River Valley. Radar is pretty quiet, but take a look at our infrared satellite picture and you can see one storm leaving, another storm starting to form. This storm will be interacting with more cold air that is up here towards the Great Lakes, and as these two interact and start to shift towards the coast, that is when we could be ending up with some moderate snowfall, maybe even heavy snowfall for the interior locations for tomorrow evening. So we're going to watch that very, very carefully. For now, though, it pretty much we're dealing with scattered cloud cover, and that is about it. Now, here is the forecast for tomorrow afternoon on through early Monday morning. Impacts basically starts at 12 p.m. Sunday and ends at 8 a.m. Monday. Looking for in zone 1 just rain. In zone 2, rain mixing over to snow at the very end. Most locations a trace on cold surfaces, and cold surfaces would include grass, shrubbery, top of your car, roadways just wet. There is a chance you could push up to 2 inches on those cold surfaces if you get into one of those moderate bands, more likely around Long Island than anything else. Zone 3, a wintry mix starting off tomorrow afternoon, changing over to snow. Again, snow accumulation 1 to 3 inches. Most of that accumulation will be focused more towards that 1 inch, but don't be surprised if you get up to 3 inches, especially around Connecticut, where you get some of those moderate bands. Now, zone 4 is where things get a little bit more tricky. We're looking at sleet and snow changing over to all snow, around 2 to 5 inches of snow, but notice the star here, potential to overperform due to mesoscale banding. There is potential here that we could end up with a stronger snow band somewhere around northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, and up towards, let's say, the central Hudson River Valley in northern Connecticut. And in that environment here, we could see the potential for snowfall totals to push over 5 inches. I think it's a very isolated potential. It's a very small potential, but it's showing up in the model guide, so I just want you to be aware of it. Otherwise, most locations, 2 to 5 inches of snow can be expected. And this is a wet snow as well, so just be aware of that. So let's dive into the rest of this forecast. For today, scattered cloud cover is expected, with temperatures rising into the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover with high pressure passing to the north of the region. That's going to set up the environment for our storm heading in for tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures will fall off into the mid-20s to lower 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, rain developing along the coast, becoming heavy in the afternoon and evening hours. Rain, snow over the interior, changing over to snow. Far northern interior, that's your zone 4. It will be snow and sleet going over to all snow. Temperatures will rise into the mid-30s to lower 40s ahead of the precipitation, and then just kind of level off a bit as we head into the morning hours. As the storm departs, we'll have some lingering rain and snow showers along the immediate coast, lingering snow showers over the interior, followed by scattered cloud cover with a few flurries in the afternoon. Temperatures rising into the mid-30s to lower 40s for highs. On Tuesday, high pressure generally building in, but we're going to watch out for a few of these little troughs swinging through the region that could produce an isolated flurry or two. So look for temperatures on Tuesday to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows, and lower to mid 30s over the interior, and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover, lows in the mid 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, and mid to upper 30s along the coast. On Friday, look for increasing cloud cover With this low pressure system, we're going to watch very carefully for Friday night on through Sunday morning. Look for temperatures on Friday to range from the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast for lows, high temperatures in the mid-30s to lower 40s. And on Saturday, we're going to watch this storm and see how it evolves. Potential for rain and snow over the region, with lows ranging from the upper teens to mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to mid-30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, and mid-30s to lower 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.